I may know exactly where the potential bottom is going to be on both gold and silver, and the reason why I know this, or at least may know this, is because I have access to information that you do not have access to, but you can get access to this information. I'll show you how to do it, and obviously how to use it, but as it sits right now, I can say unequivocally, you do not have access to the information that I do that's going to give me the ability to call the bottoms and the tops on pretty much any asset, any chart, anytime, anywhere, just like we've done on gold and silver. We called the tops and the bottoms so many times last year on literally gold and silver, it's insane. We literally did it. We did it on the channel. We did it inside of Nordic Alpha, and it's honestly not as bad as you think, right? Gold, spoiler, it could be $4,100. Silver could be as high as $69, but I'll show you where the real bottom is. I know a lot of people are saying, oh, gold's going to $3,500, silver's going to $42 or whatever. I'm just gonna be honest with you, the charts don't say that, and I don't care about clicks and views and followers and all that stuff and saying whatever it is that people want to hear in order to get those clicks, views, and followers. I want real people that want real info and answers on my channel. So if that's you, I would watch. First and foremost, gold as it sits right now, we've been calling tops and bottoms for gold, dude, for like a year and a half. Like, it's insane. We've basically, we called this, we called this, we called this, we called this bottom, we called this bottom. We took this trade right here. Absolutely insane. We showed it on the channel. Dude, I'm telling you, you've got support here at 4260. And this is because I have access to the Alpha Intelligence indicators, right? Alpha Intelligence, Alpha Structure Suite, Naked POC Suite, Naked VWAP Suite, and most importantly, the Order Block Suite. The two most important ones, Alpha Structure and Order Blocks, are what's going to probably give us the ability to call the bottom on gold. Now, I will tell you, gold has a pretty decent amount of support here, right around 4250. If we don't uphold about $4,350 right now, we are probably going to go to about 4250. That's your potential bounce point. But if you don't bounce from there, you have support right here at $4,100 exactly. Why is that? Because that's where your daily and your 12-hour structural lows are. And if you uphold those lows, it is likely that you are going to start moving up. You also have a nice little order block set down here, right, at about $4,000 from here to about here. You also have naked points of control, a naked monthly and a naked daily right under $4,100. You also have naked VWAPs right there as well. You also have naked points of control right here at $39.92. $4,000 of $4,100 could likely be the potential bottom on gold, and it could be as much as $4,250. I mean, hell, the bottom could be in right here. I'm just saying that there's two potential areas that there could be the bottom. Now, if we are to lose this level right here, this 4,000, call it 3980 some odd level, and we got to go to the daily chart to show you this, it could go down a little bit further than that, right? This is your $4,000 level, as you can see right here. You can see all of the naked VWAPs right there. You've got naked VWAPs, naked points of control. You've got order blocks. You've got market structure. You've got lows. You've got everything there, right? You could be coming down to about 3,900, and then once again, right here to about $3,712. Are we going to come all the way down here to $3,500? Be honest with you, most likely not. Most likely not, just because that's pretty far down. And we also have a trend fib level that's right here that I'll show you. Right at about $3,950, you have the 0.236 fib. And then if you look at this one, the 1.618 is at $3,750, okay? So the likelihood of getting back down here to $3,400 to $3,500, in my opinion, it's not that likely, okay? So I wouldn't be holding your breath for a $3,500 gold. Now on silver, it's a little different. If we lose $71.25 level right here, which is like these lows right over here, you're probably going to be coming down to right about $69. You've got a 7-block order block set here from $67.06 to $69.15. So it's likely that if you lose 71, you probably will be coming down to about $67 to $69. Now, you lose that, you do have a last-ditch effort here at about 65 bucks, but if we zoom out, I'll show you what kind of like that worst-case scenario looks like, especially from a market structure perspective, because it's honestly, it's not as bad as people think. A lot of people are like, oh, it's going into the 40s. It's going into the 40s, dude. Oh my God, we're dead. It's over. We're coming all the way down here to $51. We're going to 45. Dude, look. The 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 12 hour, and the 1 day lows are all at $61.21, okay? The monthly, weekly, and daily are all still in an uptrend, the 4 hours in an uptrend, okay? You uphold those lows and you get the 12 hour back into an uptrend, like, whatever, you know what I mean? It's not that crazy. You also have an order block set at that same exact range, a 4 hour, a 2 hour, and a 1 hour order block from $60.55 up to $61.40. So you're gonna have, first off, massive support here in the $67 to $69 range, period, right? Second to that, you might have a little bit of support at about 64 bucks, but your ultimate support's gonna be right here at 61.21. Now, I get it, that's a far ways away. It's a pretty decent ways away on both gold and silver, but at least you know the levels, right? So you know the levels, like if we lose these here, this is where I could potentially be shorting until we hit those levels that I was just talking about. And when we hit those levels, this is where I need to start thinking about, does this look like a longing opportunity for me on gold and silver, or gold or silver, right? Because it doesn't mean that both of them are going to bounce at the exact same time. Although they do, you know, gold tends to, you know, kind of like run the roost and lead everything else. So silver could bounce at the same point that gold does, but that doesn't guarantee that silver's going to bounce at that first support at 69 bucks. And gold's gonna bounce to the first support at, you know, say 42.50, doesn't guarantee that. I'm just saying these are the levels, okay? And if you want access to this information, because let's be real, this is information literally no one else, I'm the only person in the world that has access to this information. Now, the people inside of Nordic Alpha are about to have access to this information on Monday. And the only way that you can get access to this information and all of these indicators that are classes above and levels above anything else in the market, put them up against anything, anyone. I'm talking about the biggest and the baddest and the best in the game. Put these guys, these up against them, we're smashing them every single time. Go find your favorite indicator from your favorite indicator company. These will outperform them. And if you want access to them, all you have to do is, the only place that you will be able to subscribe to them is if you are a Nordic Alpha member. We're only launching them privately right now. So in order to get access to them, you have to get inside of Nordic Alpha. And these things are not expensive. We're talking for the Nordic Alpha people, it's $49 a month. I don't know, dude. You make that decision, do whatever you want to do. Kind of laid it all out there for you as it sits, but just because you watch Bruce Lee movies doesn't mean you know Jeet Kune Do, baby. So with that being said, if you want the tutorial, you just saw it, but if you want to actually learn how to do Jeet Kune Do, you know where to do it. Get inside of Nordic Alpha, get access to these indicators, game changers, absolute cheat codes. Peace.